What is up, guys? Welcome back, Ski, to another video. Wow. Alright. Today, we cooking up another trade, boys. $380 on a day. Um, the website of Lucid Trading isn't working. I don't know why the fuck it ain't working. It's on Discord, bro. Like they wrote a message on Discord too. But I don't know what the fuck's going on with their servers, bro. Um, but yeah, still I can show you guys the profit and shit on Tradevate. And bro, banger trade. Holy trade, dude. Perfect setup. Is everything all right with the recording? Yes, perfect. Perfect setup. I could have went for a higher risk to reward ratio, but I was thinking like, hey, we got news coming out, and I'm kind of going against the daily bias, so I will just take the first high that I see because I was going long, and it was still a 1 to 1.91 risk to reward ratio, like a nearly a 2, yeah, nearly a 2, what's it called? Nearly a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So I risk $1 to make 2, yeah, nearly a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is completely cool, which is completely fine, fully okay with it. I risked, I think I risked, we can check live right now. Let's go limit order. Let's put the limit order right here, and then stop loss was right here, and then I went in with 5 units, so that's like this. So you can see, bang, risk $205 was the risk. Okay, so pretty, like like literally my max risk amount. I'm going for like $200 risk. I put in 210 at this risk calculator thing on TradingView, just to have a little buffer, because if it's like in this case, bro, if I set it to $205, bro, it doesn't really make a difference, you know what I'm saying? If I lose $205 or $200, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like this buffer thing that I actually get filled with enough position size. So yeah, $205 risked, $380 made, and we are up on the account again. That's something I can show you because the website isn't working. I was down hella bad. Maybe I can show it here. Today, this week, this month, this let's do this month, I guess. Go. What does it show us? What does it show us? The orders, history, performance. Okay, it doesn't show us anything. Nice. But basically I was down to like, so now, right now, so the account is $50,000, and now I'm up $50,462. So $462 is the profit I made on the account, and I think I was down to $49,300 or something like that. So I was down $700, and now I'm up $400. So, you know, I made a band, you know. So let's go over the trade ski. Bro, perfect setup. Really good day. So on high time frames, 15-minute rally gap, 15-minute rally gap, bro. 15-minute time frame. We had this S&P divergence right here, and Q made a lower low, swept these lows. ES made a higher low, didn't sweep these lows. Higher time frame bias should have been bearish, because we have this big ass retrace right here. We are just respecting bearish confluences and disrespecting bullish confluences. But, big but, what changed my, I guess, perspective on this whole thing is the S&P divergence. And also we had a perfect retrace after this S&P divergence, and things were aligning really well. And it was just my strategy, because we also had a liquidity sweep right before, and then we had this liquidity sweep right here. You can see this is probably manipulation. Another S&P divergence, and as I said, 0.618 was hit. And then I was like, okay, bang, let me wait for this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Bang, it got disrespected, and then we tap back into it. Bullish close, entry right after the bullish close. I would have even been able to get a better close if I entered right away. But I kind of like, I don't know why I didn't get filled right away. It would have been a 2, exactly. Yeah, it would have been okay. Yeah, but who cares? You know what I'm saying? It's like it was like a execution probably, you know. So entry right after the first bullish close, after we retested the inverse value gap right here. Bang, Let me put it 1M inverse value gap, and then take profit at these highs, stop loss below the recent low. Like I said, I could have went a bit higher with the take profit. I don't know. Maybe I could have put a Fibonacci extension somewhere, which would have been like this. Yes, probably like this. Yeah, and I would have targeted probably like the 3.272 or something like that. 3.272. Yeah. So yeah, could have made more, but like I said, we're in bruv, bearish structure, and we had news coming out, so I was like, okay, let me go for a quick trade, little trade, bro. It was still a 2 risk-reward ratio, so really happy with it, fully happy with it. Made the money on the day up on the account, bruv. I can't, bro. I'm staying calm. I'm focused. I'm locked in. I need to keep this going. Look, the problem with me was the last time I was winning. I am. This might sound crazy and this might sound like a bit delusional, but I am a profitable trader. Okay, what is holding me back is that when I'm winning, when I'm on a winning streak, when I'm like getting like, okay, shit, like last time, like the last account I had, I can't show you guys right now because the website isn't working, but you can check out my trade recaps. Um, I was up like 1 point, I don't want to lie, I don't know, 1.2K, I guess. And I was cooking hard. I made like 2 bands in like, I don't know, fucking 2 months or something. So I was doing really good on the account. I was profitable. But then I started losing, okay? And it wasn't a problem for me. I was like, okay, I'm up so much, like let me lose 2, 3 times. Who the fuck cares? This is just like part of the trading thing, okay? But the losses were avoidable losses. It was losses that wouldn't have happened if I didn't win before, you know what I'm saying? Because I wasn't on those losses. I lost because I won before. You know what I'm saying? It was like this mindset thing of like, oh shit, I've won so much, I'm such a good trader, bro. This trade will work, this trade will work. Oh, and then I get impatient, you know what I'm saying? It was impatience that fucked me up. I was like, hey, every trade I took right now is winning, so why not just take the fucking trade? But it was impatience. It was me not following my plan anymore because I was getting because I was getting overconfident. So instead of waiting for my actual setup, I was overconfident. I was saying like, whatever the fuck I take wins. So why not? Why the fuck would I just wait for my setup? I just take anything I want, and that's the problem. And that's when I started losing. And because those losses were avoidable losses, I lost like 4 times in a row. I was still like, okay, shit happens, avoidable losses. But then on the fifth day, it kind of fucked with me, and then I was started revenge trading, bro, and I lost like like 3 bands in a day or 2 bands in a day, which is insane. And then I bought another account on a day after, I think, or 2 days later, and I blew that one too. And then I bought this account, which is the one I'm trading on right now. And then I had a winning day, I think. And then I had 2 losing days, and on the second losing day, I got emotional again. And that's why I was down so much. But now, and then I was like, okay, fuck me, bro. I need to calm down. I need to get some time off of trading. And now I made a comeback and I'm locked in again. I need to stay locked in, bro. I'm not allowed to get emotional. I need to stay fuck calm. Like yesterday, I lost yesterday. Or did I? No, I lost 2 days ago. Or something like that. I have losses, bro, and it isn't like I'm like, okay, what the fuck, who cares? Like it's a loss, bro. Trading is a thing where losses are as what's it called? Like, you know you will lose. It is impossible to not lose in trading. You 100%. Even when I have my fucking Ferrari, even if I have my fucking McLaren, when I have my house, I will still lose trades. Why? Because it's just part of the game. You have to lose trades to win trades. You know what I'm saying? Um, Let me say something deep and emotional right now. I don't know, fucking without rain there isn't sun, you know what I'm saying? After the rain there is always sun, you know what I'm saying? Like you get what I'm saying. But yeah, basically, um, perfect trade, really nice trade. As you can see, we hit my take profit and then little retrace and then move. We moved further up. Perfect prediction, in my opinion. Really nice execution. Was part of my plan. Was my plan. Was part of my plan. I don't know. So yeah, See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Hopefully you took a W trade too. W trade. Bang. Time for a thumbnail. Wait. Time for a thumbnail. How do I do a thumbnail? Let's go. Time for a thumbnail. Bang. Type shit. All right. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.